what kind of noise is coming from the exhaust. And it only does it, oh, okay, now, oh, there it goes. It only does it at idle when the car's not moving. When the car is moving, you don't hear it at all. There it goes again. Stop.